Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming videos. Very decent and attractive videos. Of this video it's all about the crochet neck warmer ideas. Crochet neck warmer ideas are decent, attractive and good looking charming videos, and in a beautiful things you will be a decent things ideas are shown in this channel for decent attractive art. Your choice are depending on my totally channel's videos. Are different types of videos are available for my channels. For these creative and stunning videos, you will be ideas. You will be perfectly videos, some things for newly videos, newly designs. Always be sharing a good things, good newly numbers, and beautiful ideas. You will be a stunning videos and different colors, different stylish, charming, and different perfectly videos. You will be stunning videos. Always be sharing the good things. Of neck warmers are trendy videos in a trendy designs, in a trendy attractive designs. You will be a stunning videos. You will be amazing, good charming. Always be sharing your most attractive videos. I have shared with you. I want to share a beautiful, very stunning designs, elegant designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification और सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को लास्ट में हिट करना है और नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को टर्न करने के इफ when these videos are uploaded for any times. Any videos are used in different patterns for different stylish videos. You will be perfectly videos, always much attractive designs, and just let me make amazing videos. You will be perfectly videos.